our focus will be shift on the make-believe comic. Now, the make-believe comic is a very good online tool that teachers can use to bring about creativity in their students, especially our boys. Now, the comic strip starter gives students anime, which they would be excited to use to tell their story. So we're going to go straight to the Make Believes comic homepage. Once you go on the home page, it prompts you, it tells you about us, how to create comic starters. So we're going to click on create or share an idea. So once our students click on that, it give them ideas to get started on your comic creation. So it share with you what is it that you want to do. Is it that you want to tell your life story, travel to a mysterious place, making wishes? So it gives them a host of idea. Write a letter, even a song can be created on the comic strip. So we are going to allow our students now to create. So this is a person giving their life story. Bill Zimmerman, the creator of the Make Believe comic. So what we can do is we can select. So we want to use this panel, so we can click on it. This is what we want to do. We can go ahead and choose. So we can click on one of the panel and it takes us directly. So what we're going to do now, we're going to actually create our own comic. Now, in creating our own comic, it gives us the first panel. So the students choose this based on what you're going to tell. The students don't want this character, so they come to character. When you click on character, you're able to choose the character that you want based on the story that you want to tell. You want to share a story, so you're going to click on the character. So you choose, so you're going to delete this character that is officially there, and you're going to insert your new character. So this is the new character now that we have placed there. Now we want to make a message. Our character is going to tell a story. So the first thing she's going to do is introduce herself. So the character introduces herself. If you want the person to say more, you come down and you go back. Always use the back button and you choose. Is it that you want animal friends? If you want different talking balloons, objects, also you can choose background. So you click on background and you're able to choose a background that you want. So let us select a background. If we want that one, we go ahead and choose it. If we don't want, we can always. So a host of things is there what we can choose from. So we select a background. Now what we want after we have selected a background, if we want words, we can always get words. Give me a word. So the taskbar is here to guide us. So we are finished with our first panel that we're going to use. Now you click on the plus sign here and you get another panel. If you want to use the same character, you go ahead, because remember it's the character telling a story. You click on the character that you want. Once you click on the character, you choose the pose that you want for the character. So we select this pose. Once you select it, you go back. Now you click on your character, you can straighten your character, you can use this menu button, move, it can rotate your character. So we place the character here. Now you want to hear what the character is going to say. You go back, choose bubble balloon. So you choose the bubble balloon and you choose the one which you want to use. So you want to use a small one or a large one. So you click on this. Once you click, it is inserted. Once it is inserted, you go up, you place it, highlight, then you click and you start typing. So this is what Miss Wiz want to tell us about herself. So if Miss Wiz is finished, what you do, click on the plus button, you get another panel. Now, one thing you must do with Make Believe Comic is you encourage your students to save as they go along. So you save. So comic, save online, and you click OK. Each time you create a panel, you continue to save. So you can continue and you can add as many panel as you want. You can also edit. So Miss Wiz is telling us about herself. We go back. We want to look for some animal friend that Miss Wiz probably had created. So let us put this. So once you select it, it goes there. If you don't want it, you click on it, delete, 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 and you align. So you have the options. So you go to panel 3. Ensure that you're on panel 3 when you choose. So you go back. If you want to put another character, you click on the character that you want. The character is inserted. Need a bubble for the character. You continue. You go on the bubble balloon. You choose the bubble, the size that you want for your character. Once you double click, the box is clear. You go ahead and type. If you want to make your character, your background pop in, your scene pop in, you go back. Go on the menu bar. So you want a background, but this time you want a colored background. You click and you choose the background that you wish. Once you find your desired background, you go back, it remains. Then always remember to update. Update means that you're actually saving it. Once you have done and you have placed your characters, your next step is you can view all your save work to ensure that it is there. All right. So once you view, you close. So you have finished creating now and you want to publish. How do I go about publishing? Now, once you have saved, you can either choose to print, share, or email. So you click. Once you click, you go down. Is it that you want to review before you print? Is it that you want to save, share, or print? Or is it that you want to email? Now, if a student is working on this and want to email it straight to the teacher, go ahead and do that. If the students prefers to print, share it, go ahead. If they want to go back and edit, you click go back and edit. Once you go back, it takes you exactly back to your page. You start again. Once you're finished editing, you must click update to continue to save. Then you click on how you want to share. Once you are finished, you can also create a new comic. So as I said, colleague, this is very good. I have used it to create, so I want to update, so I click on update. Okay. Once I want to go back, the back button is there. Now I want to view, these are sample scenarios that was already completed. So it gives you up to 15 panels. So you can go ahead, create your activity, and also it can be used for songs, whatever you want to do. And the animes are there. You don't have to go on YouTube or Google to find anything. Everything that you want to use is right here on the taskbar. Instant logo marker, you can go ahead and choose what you want to do. So this is a very good online tool that we can use with our students, allow them to show their creativity. So once you have done that, you click on print, share. Remember, you always update. So once you have done that, it shows you exactly what your comic strip is going to look like. So you'd have completed all your tasks and it shows you what your actual work is going to look like, your finished product. So this would be the finished product of something that you have created. I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that you use it with our students, especially our boys and our creative girls. Thank you.